Tuesday, June 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's begin with a look at the camera in downtown Gastonia there on the western side of the Charlotte metro region. The temperature there sitting at 66 degrees, the dew point up there at 63. It's a mild and humid start to the day all across the viewing areas of really all the Carolinas. It is a mild and humid early June morning. Yesterday hit 90 in Raleigh, 92 in Fayetteville, 89 down in Columbia, 88 in Charlotte for the high temperature, 86 in Greensboro, had highs in the mid to upper 80s, even 90 yesterday in Burlington, 90 in Albemarle. There's your Charlotte region high temperatures, 90 in Wadesboro and Rockingham too, 88 at the Charlotte airport, 86 there in Gastonia and Salisbury too. These are 5:30 a.m. temperatures, 70s up and down the coast, a lot of 60s throughout the Piedmont zones and the foothills. And then you get into some 50s there in some of the cooler mountain spots. Boone at 57. Humidity values, again, very high this morning. A lot of us between 90 and 100% for that relative humidity as we're starting the day. Yesterday, this was what the radar presentation looked like through the afternoon and the evening hours. Had a pretty good coverage of those areas of showers and thunderstorms. I'll run that through again. And you had especially I-85 and the points east during the afternoon, and then it was areas north and west of I-85 during the evening hours. So a lot of us did indeed pick up some showers and thunderstorms yesterday. Let me show you the storm report map here, and I'll focus here first of all on Randolph County. You had several wind damage reports just prior to 5 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday there, mostly of the tree being blown down type of variety. Actually, let me go back to this previous chart very quickly here. There we go. All right, and so also had a scattering of some wind and some hail reports down into South Carolina. A few hail reports in the mountains too, and you did have this wind report as well there from Stanley County. I'll go ahead and plot that for you. And that was there near the Ansonville community there in northern Anson County near the Stanley County border. Trees down in that region as well just before 4 o'clock. All right, so there are your radar estimated rain totals. Again, not everybody saw the rain, but really it was a pretty good coverage of rain in a lot of spots. Now, some exceptions. Most of Gaston County missed out on the activity yesterday. A good chunk of Mecklenburg County, parts of Union County. But again, a lot of the Piedmont, the foothills, and the mountains picked up some rain. Here's your rain totals yesterday. Look at Burlington, over 2 inches of rain during the day yesterday. Almost an inch in Asheboro, over half inch in Reedsville. Let's check the Charlotte viewing area numbers. You had nothing officially recorded at the Charlotte Douglas Airport. 1/100th of an inch of rain at the Gastonia Airport. A little under a quarter inch in Salisbury and Statesville. And so this is kind of the deal as we go through the next several days. A pretty uneven distribution of rain will continue. This is the radar this morning. A few areas of some light rain occurring as I cut this video. But what I'm watching is this little disturbance that's driving this activity from northeastern Georgia up into the upstate of South Carolina. That'll probably give us some morning showers and a few thunderstorms in some spots. You'll see that here in just a second. Upper level energy, you have an upper level low back over Kentucky and Tennessee today, and notice through tomorrow evening it doesn't move a great deal. Eventually, though, by late in the work week, it begins to open up and push to the east, and that'll cut down on our rain chances by Friday, but pretty unsettled between now and then. Today, frontal boundary draped across the region, a little disturbance riding. I'm near that, so again, there's your some morning shower and storm chances, and then as we heat up the atmosphere, scattered showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon and into the evening hours. High resolution modeling, probably a little too aggressive with the coverage here, but you get the idea. Some morning activity pivoting through, and then as we heat up the atmosphere, there's your afternoon and evening showers and storms developing. Tricky high temperature forecast today, but that's what we're going with for the time being. It'll be entirely dependent on how the clouds and the showers and storms behave today. Tomorrow we're on the cooler side of the boundary in a lot of the Piedmont zones, so look for a lot of clouds, some areas of showers and thunderstorms. Your Wednesday highs held in check into the 70s in many Piedmont spots. And then as we get into Thursday, still on the cooler side of the boundary in most spots. Pretty good chances for some areas of showers and thunderstorms still on Thursday, and your Thursday highs getting a little bit warmer, but still on the cool side. GFS rain totals now through Friday evening, still printing out an additional 2 to 3 inches of rain in a lot of the Piedmont. The European has the axis of heaviest rain over near and east of I-95, but still Charlotte and Greensboro, 1 to 2 inches of rain. And again, it's going to be a very uneven distribution. If some folks get hit by thunderstorms on multiple days, you could pick up 3-4 inches of rain all totaled up. Other spots, if you miss the storms, it's going to be much less. So again, an uneven distribution of rain as we go through this week. By the way, the weekend is just looking like more of your typical scattered afternoon variety of thunderstorm chances. All right, tropics. There's an Atlantic Basin wide view. Things are pretty quiet out there. No imminent signs of tropical development. Some flare-ups of thunderstorms in the southern Gulf and the western Caribbean Sea, but no sign of any development with that at the moment. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.